Tallow lotion is often called nature's Botox because of its ability to deeply moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Unlike Botox, which is basically going to paralyze the muscles and pull out wrinkles in your face, the tallow lotion is going to offer you long-term benefits in the way of boosting collagen production, improving upon hydration, and skin elasticity, which all means you having more youthful, healthy looking skin. So let's go ahead and dive in as to how this works so well and why we call tallow lotion nature's Botox. But before we do, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. It's a pleasure to be hanging out with you today. I look forward to helping you with the proper information on how to look younger and keep your skin healthy. So first, let's look at tallow lotion's nutrient profile, because this is one of the big factors that really matters here. Tallow lotion is loaded with omega-3, 6s, and 9. Now, this is important because it's going to actually mimic the natural oils in your skin, making it very deeply moisturizing. It also is loaded with stearic and oleic acid, which is going to support skin elasticity. And, as you age, this is one of the big problems, right? You lose the elasticity in your skin, you have more wrinkles, you have more sagging skin. So this is why nature's Botox, aka tallow lotion, is going to be so beneficial. It's also loaded with vitamin A, D, E, and K. And these essential fat soluble nutrients for collagen production will boost that collagen, but also it's going to have that huge anti-aging benefits. And look, you're going to realize that when you age, it's all about getting to the root cause of the problem, not putting a Band-Aid on. If you're looking at Botox, that is putting a temporary Band-Aid on. If you use something like tallow lotion, you're actually getting to the root cause of producing better skin health. And that's why it's so amazing. Now, as I mentioned, it's going to help with boosting collagen and also skin elasticity, specifically because it has that vitamin A, which is known as retinol. And it's going to help pull out those smooth lines that are starting to develop on your skin and improve upon your skin texture. Now, Botox, what that does as a mechanism of working is freezes the muscles up, whereas tallow lotion is actually going to help strengthen the skin and prevent the sagging of your skin naturally. Now, we're going to find that tallow lotion is deeply hydrating and it doesn't clog your pores, which is amazing. And also it's naturally anti-inflammatory and healing. Now, this is important because tallow lotion has something called CLA in it, and this conjugated linoleic acid is going to help fight inflammation and support your skin healing. So if you have eczema, psoriasis, acne, or even if you have scarring on your skin, the tallow lotion helps really start to bring that skin to a better place through natural healing. And the one thing too that's important to understand is that tallow lotion has a mild antimicrobial effect, which is important for especially those who are suffering from any type of irritation or skin infection or even acne. Now let's compare Botox to nature's Botox, which is tallow lotion. So how it works, okay? Well, if we use nature's Botox, tallow lotion, it's going to help nourish, hydrate, and support the collagen production of your skin. If you use Botox, the way that it actually works is it just temporarily paralyzes and freezes your facial muscles, which is actually a little bit strange, to be honest. Now let's talk about its effect on wrinkles. Tallow lotion is going to help prevent and reduce fine lines over time, whereas Botox is just going to instantly smooth the wrinkles out on your skin without actually treating your skin or improving it in any way. Once again, it's puffing up those muscles and freezing them. It's causing an inflammatory reaction, more or less, which pulls out the wrinkles. Doesn't sound very good for you. Now, the skin benefits of tallow lotion are going to be, well, it's going to offer deep repair. It's going to offer hydration and healing, as we mentioned, because it has the CLA in it. Whereas the skin benefits of the Botox, well, it actually doesn't offer any skin benefits at all. It just pulls out the wrinkles. Now let's look at the duration of the results. Which one's going to last longer? Well, tallow lotion offers long-term skin improvements because we're getting to the root cause. We're putting proper nutrients into the skin. We're helping heal the skin. Whereas Botox is like a 3 to 6 month benefit, and then you're going to need injections again. And once again, that's a Band-Aid because it didn't do anything for your skin. It just kind of puffed up your skin, pulled out the wrinkles. Now let's talk about the side effects, because I think that's pretty important, especially to those of us who care about natural health. Well, if you're using good quality, grass-fed tallow lotion, like the one that myself and my family uses, then there is no side effects. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link in the description below so you have access to this. And this is actually a tallow lotion that my business produces. And it's a very good quality, organic tallow lotion that is awesome for you and the whole family. Now, the side effects of Botox is going to be bruising, headaches, muscle stiffness, potentially drooping eyelids. And, there's also the risk of infection and a lot of other problems with it. So I am not a fan of it if you haven't caught on up until this point. So whenever we look to improving our skin naturally, we want to get to the root cause. We want to truly heal. We don't want to just cover up these issues with band-aids. And so when we look at tallow lotion, it's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, improving upon elasticity and the plumpness of your skin. It's going to help dry and sensitive skin, which is important for reducing wrinkles. It's going to help with the healing process, whether it's scarring or stretch marks. You're going to find that it helps with skin regeneration, and also even help with sun damage due to its ability to help protect and heal the barrier function of the skin itself. So the tallow lotion is nature's Botox because it truly offers a tremendous amount of skin healing and works so well. So link in the description below to all the tallow lotion that we offer, and also even the magnesium one, which is good for reducing muscle aches and joint pain, or there's a muscle relief one that has all types of amazing natural pain relievers for muscle tissue, joints, and so much more. So link in the description below. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. If you love this video, I think you'll like this one next.